Hello? Yeah, mate. The shipment came in yesterday. Yeah, you can come pick it up now. Alright, I'll see you in 30.
Can I come in?
Oh, you're already here?
You really have every arm under the sun, Mr. Gunstone.
Yeah, your 98 was hard to locate that came in yesterday.
What was the price again?
Yeah, I'll need $650 for the gun and $130 for shipping.
It's all in there. Can I ask you a question, sir?
Yeah, sure.
Why did you start selling firearms, sir?
Been around guns my whole life. What I saw.
You were also stationed in Afghanistan, correct?
Yeah. How do you know that?
Well, I looked into your past and saw you're a vet.
Yeah, well, it doesn't mean much now.
You fought against arguably one of the worst terrorist groups in the world. I'd say that's something to be pretty proud of. But what confuses me is how someone who fought against something so bad as terrorism now supplies guns to terrorists and underworld members.
I don't know what the hell you're talking about.
Word gets around fast in Springville, you know. You've sold to some very bad people.
Again, I don't know what the hell you're talking about.
Don't you care about how these are used? How it may be put into the world?
I ship guns and I sell them. That's all there is to it. Business.
Is business worth more than a human life? I'm not here to pry or teach you, Mr. Gunstone. I'm only here to ask you to think about what you're doing.